There's a moment when disaster strikes, where time stands still. We've seen it countless times. A life, a home, a business, hanging in balance, teetering between devastation and hope. At Disaster Recovery Restoration, we tip the scales. Built on a spirit of resilience and a commitment to community, we're not just another service. We're your steadfast ally in the face of adversity. When everything seems lost, we bring the promise of recovery, restoration, and renewal. Each call we receive connects you with someone on our team who cares. We don't rely on answering services because we believe in the power of personal connection. At the first moment you reach out, you're no longer alone. With our full-service restoration services, where no job is too big, our team stays with you from start to finish, guiding you through the storm with clear communication and heartfelt support. It's the reason our customers say they could never dream something so terrible could turn out so well. That's the DRR promise, turning nightmares into new beginnings. In an industry where shortcuts are common, we stand firm in our principles. We educate you, empower you, and ensure you're making the best decisions for your recovery. We are experienced in restoring property after catastrophic events like fires and floods, and we specialize in the detailed restoration of important documents, electronics, and manufacturing equipment. But at its heart, our business is people. We don't just restore buildings, servers, and documents. We restore trust in the restoration process. Disasters don't define us. Our response does. At Disaster Recovery Restoration, we're the ones who get it done. Trust in our story. Trust in our skill. Trust in Disaster Recovery Restoration.